Hello, everyone. So it's gonna be something about Think Talent. So, what's Think Talent? Let's get into a short description about what all a talent is capable of. So, let's take few verticals in the industry of talents, right? So there are individuals who come out with a lot of talents like music, musicals, or let it be in terms of acting, or let it be in terms of dance. So we would have seen someone and we would have evidenced someone who acts so well, right? And who have gone to the international standards and who have got national awards and who have got to great level, right? So it is all mainly because of the passion they hold in their talent, right? And the passion which they have for the talent. So what this is about? This is about Think Tank, Think Entrepreneur. The team, the designated team of Think Tank, Think Entrepreneur is going to travel, going to elevate, and going to highlight and going to improvise the presentation skills of each and every talent who approaches, who reaches to the Think Tank, Think Entrepreneurs team. So, what is it going to be the benefits? As simple as that, the benefits are going to be you're going to reach to a different level. So, when you got a talent, let's take for example, you got a talent in singing, right? So, what do? You mainly get into your phone, you get into your computer, and you start to sing, right? So, why you do that? You do that because that gives you a framework, that gives you a forum, that gives you a platform so people can see you and people will recognize you, right? So that's what Think Tank, Think Entrepreneur team is going to get engaged with and going to travel with you and going to empower your talent to the next level so you reach to the standards of the talent industry and also highlight your talent to the next level. Okay, so stay tuned on this, and a lot of things are going to come up, guys. Thanks a lot.